Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do your taxes on TurboTax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other income statements. Next, log into your TurboTax account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Select the appropriate tax year and your filing status, like single or married filing jointly, to begin the process smoothly. Now, let's input your financial information. Carefully enter all your income details from your W-2, 1099, and any other sources. TurboTax will then prompt you to enter any eligible deductions and credits. This could include things like student loan interest, medical expenses, or contributions to an IRA. Be thorough, as these can significantly lower your tax liability. Once all your information is entered, it's crucial to review everything. TurboTax provides a comprehensive review feature that checks for common errors and suggests potential missed deductions. Take your time to ensure all details are correct. After your review, you can choose to e-file your return directly through TurboTax, which is the fastest method, or print and mail it. Finally, TurboTax will clearly show you whether you're receiving a refund or if you owe taxes. If you're getting a refund, you can choose direct deposit for the quickest access to your money. If you owe, TurboTax offers several convenient payment options, including direct debit from your bank account or mailing a check. Congratulations, you've completed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.